Well, hello YouTube. I haven't made an update for quite a long time, so I thought today would be a good day. It's very still outside so that you can actually hear me and not just wind. My solar panels have been laying here on the ground since about the middle of May. I'm not doing too well with getting my infrastructure put in, but I finally have gotten the mounting system designed and mostly installed. I'm still haven't got the bracing in and the cross braces for the post for lateral stability. The conduit's been buried for several months. It comes up right there. The one conduit is the home run. The other conduit, smaller 1-inch conduit, goes over here, and this is the base mounting point for the wind turbine, which will be put up next spring. The conduit then goes over here to this shed. There's an intermediate point. And goes back over to the house. Then the conduit goes along the wall here. You see right there on the wall is the soft start for the air conditioner so that it can be run by the inverter if necessary. It will also help not load the generator so much if it's running on generator. And there's where it enters the house. Here is the generator and the transfer panel for the generator. Here's where the solar and wind runs into the house. The batteries that are currently installed, 10 kilowatts. And the Sol-Ark 12K. Then its power comes across here, comes from this main panel. And then it feeds the inverter panel here to this sub panel. The sub panel has critical loads like refrigerators, freezer, master bedroom, the furnace blower, and the microwave and stove. So that's pretty much where we are today. I'm getting ready to mount part of the solar panels and go from there. We'll see you next time.